testing my Mighty Mule 360 solar paneled. Open. Closed. And it was pretty simple. Here's my battery. Here's the whole setup. So you have your battery on the bottom. You have your Mighty Max gate opener. Mighty Mule gate opener. Then you have your solar panel. So then also your receiver. So what we got going on here is I ran it all in conduit. Let me give you a shot of this. It took 2 straps and I didn't glue anything, and I'm really happy with the results on that. Let me get it back in the film. That's all wired in. What I did is ran everything that needed to go to here, zip tied it under. Little trick right here is the 1.5 inch exhaust straps, and from there pretty much the battery here. Just bought this for $17 at Tractor Supply. The wire that comes from that goes down. I didn't even have to cut it. Use 1-inch PVC, and you can fit the fuse, inline fuse. Take the cap off and just run down the fuse with the red wire, let the black wire and the cap go down second, and then I just let it run down to there to the bottom, and then I just slap that on up to there, put it all in here, and positive, negative, simple as that. All the extra slack is in this. Nothing's glued. That was already like that whenever I bought it. Nothing is nothing cut. I just put it all in there. All the wire I just looped around. Like I said, it was pretty straightforward. Nice little machine. And there you go. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. God bless.